Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Luminesce Ultimate Lifting Mask. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull my hair back because it is a mask that you put on. It's a gel mask and I don't want it getting in my hair. So pull that all back. My face has been cleaned with the Luminesce cleanser, the Youth Restoring Cleanser, and I have already put on my serum. I put on the serum first because I want the mask to come over that and really soak the serum into my skin. So this is a lifting mask. It is a gel mask. You want to put it on fairly thick and leave it on for about 20 to 25 minutes. And it's going to pull off any impurities out of your skin. Gosh, it feels so cool. And it's also going to, because it's infused with the APT 200, it's going to rejuvenate my skin and tell my skin cells to turn over really fast and make more. I'm going to avoid my eyebrows. And my hairline. Try to do it kind of thick around the perimeter to give myself something to hold on to and peel off easily. And I like to come down past my jawline into my neck, because as you age, that jawline starts disappearing. And I'm 58, I'll be 59 in, well, next month in July. So I've really started noticing that. Okay, but it's really pretty thick. That's all you do. Some people like to apply it with a brush, but I just use my fingers. All right, that's about how much I'm going to use. All right, so I'll be back in about 25 minutes and we'll peel it off. Bye. Okay, so I'm back and I've got the lifting mask on. It is dried. This is what I used. You can see it's very shiny, it's very tight, and I'm just going to start trying to peel it off. Have no idea if I can get it off in one piece. I'm really bad at doing that. Lots of people can, but I haven't always had good luck with it, so we'll just see. I get a little impatient, I think. Anyway, you just start peeling. It feels really good while it's on. Because it really tightens the skin. And it feels very, very cool. So it's real refreshing, especially in this hot Texas weather. And I said avoid the hairline, and I obviously got some right there in my hair and it's pulling. Ouch. Oh well, not too bad. I got some in up there too. I just wasn't paying attention, I guess. Yeah, you want to avoid the hairline because that kind of hurts. I'm going to go around the perimeter. That's why I said to put it on a little bit thick around the perimeter, especially so you have something to grab hold of. And that's probably why it got in my hair. But if I miss any, you can just wash it off with a wet washcloth. That's not a big deal. I'm doing pretty good, actually. You can see here on my neck where it's really tight, because I like to put it on my neck too. See there? It really firms up the skin. Gives you like a little mini facelift. Here we go. Pulls off any impurities, and it really gets that APT 200 right down into the skin layers. Or hair. Now, I did not go up right next to my eyes. And I wouldn't suggest that because that area is pretty tender. Your skin under the eyes is probably the most tender. Not that this hurts or anything at all, but you just don't want to be pulling on that area. Look at here. Look at there, I got it off. All in one piece. And there you go. And my skin feels soft. I have a little bit right there in my hair, but I'll get that off with you know, some water. Feels very soft. And it's a little bit tight, firm feeling. So get you some Luminesce Ultimate Lifting Mask. We'll see you guys later. Bye.